Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! I'm so excited to be here. I'm back. But today I'm going to be unboxing a very old gift that I got. Okay, so I got married 10 years and 5 months ago. 10 years, 5 months ago. So I got we got some wedding gifts and all, but there was one of the gifts that I didn't know that I had. I just got it from my mom's garage. I did not know that I still had it, and guess what? It's a stainless pot set, stainless steel pot set. I did not know that I had a stainless steel pot set as a wedding gift. I did not know. And it's 12, let me just show you. And it's 12-piece set. 12-piece set. So this is the first time I'm going to be unboxing this. The box is already raggedy because they had to check what was inside and stuff. So it's already torn. I'm going to show you just to let you know how old it is. Let's hold on. Ta-da! This is the set of what? Let me show you the carton is torn. It's an old carton. So this is called Tools of the Trade. Tools of the Trade. Okay. Okay, so there are 12 pieces, right? I'm just gonna open this up and all the way. It was open halfway. I'm gonna open it all the way so we can check what is inside. See, I didn't even get to do my makeup at all because I just wanted to come show you guys this set of pots. I'm so excited about this. Seriously, I am. Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna show you the plastic to tell you how old it is. This is the plastic. It's white, right? Like, look at the plastic. It's dirty. Yes. So let's open it up. Look at this. This is the correct stainless steel pot. It feels heavy. I don't have to buy anymore. Seriously. Tools of the Trade. That's what it says. Use pot holders. Dishwasher safe. Oven safe to 450. This is the pot. Can you see that? I'm so excited. Okay, the next thing is a small fry pan. That was the big one, the biggest one. This is a small one. I'm gonna get this out. Can you see that? This is so cute. Do they still have this kind of pot online? I'm gonna check and see if they're still there. I'll check on Amazon and see if they have this kind of pot still selling. Well, this was 10 years ago. Almost 11 years ago, because December is this year, 2025, we're going to be 11 years married. So this one is a small fry pan. Next, on the, whatever my hand touches. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. Okay. Is that the cover? Yeah, it is the cover. I'm not sure. No, it's not. Okay, but this is a, how do we call this kind of pot now? This is the stock pot, maybe. Like small pot. Can cook something small with this. This is the pot. It feels heavy. Next, on whatever my hand touches. This is the cover of one of the pots. I don't know which cover, but I'll figure it out. But it's not that one. Definitely not that one. Let's see. Yeah, it's not the one. So let me put the cover inside. Ooh. This must be the stock pot actually. This one is deep. It's not that wide. So, ooh, oh my gosh. This is the pot. This should have been what I'm supposed to use to start out as a new bride. But I did not know I had this. Seriously. Look at that. It's deep enough to cook some nice soup. Egusi soup. Ogbono soup. Okra soup. What do I cook again? Vegetable efero soup. I can cook rice, jollof rice with this one. Next, Ooh, this one is tiny. This is tiny. What can I use in cooking this with this one? I don't know. I don't know. What can I use for this one? Maybe like I want to make one small sauce or something like that. So this tiny cover is probably gonna be, yeah, it's for this one. So it's a glass cover. I need to check Amazon to see if they still have this. If they still have, if they have this kind of pot on Amazon, I'll just of this exact pot. I'll put it on because it's so good. It feels heavy. Okay, next on whatever my hand touches. Um, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 now. They said 12. Oh, so the other things are the covers. The covers. Okay. So it's the cover for the pot. So this pot is the cover for this. Yeah. Yeah. Still going to end up buying a two big stainless pots that I can use to cook something in bulk, like food in bulk food. This one is definitely for the fry pan. For the fry pan, let me see. This is for the fry pan. See that? So this set of pots that I just discovered now, I think I'm going to put them in my pantry, somewhere in my pantry, because my cabinet, cabinet is filled up with pots. I don't want to add to it, so definitely it will be my cabinet. I mean bassinet. What am I saying? Bassinet. It's going to be in my pantry. Another cover for this pot. So it's getting together. It's love it, right? Okay, so it came with some spoon, I think a spoon, spatula, and some utensils. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Utensils. So this one is it's three of them. It's three of them. Okay. So let's open them one after the other. Oh, okay. This one is for spaghetti or pasta. This one is for pasta. I have the rubber ones, but I've never had the stainless one before. So this will be a good one. I'm going to be using this utensils strictly for this stainless pot set. I'm not going to be using the plastic one. This one I think would go well with this stainless pots. So that's one. I'm going to put that one. Let me just show you something like this. Okay, the next one is the spoon. The spoon. Can you see that? Oh, wow. This is amazing. So nice. I can hang this up. This is for hanging. It's for hanging on something. Let's demonstrate. I'm cooking egusi soup. Let's demonstrate. So this is my pot. The last but not the least is saving the best for the last. Is the best? Is it the best? Maybe not. Maybe not. This one is for frying stuff or for my pancakes. Pancakes, mostly pancakes. So yeah. Oh man, do I still have anything in here? Let me see. I have two more that I'm going to be showing you. I have other ones also, but these two are amazing that I really want to show you guys. Yeah, I'm just unraveling the wedding gifts that I got from my bridal shower. I'm just unraveling them one by one. I don't know why. I used some already. I thought I was done. I didn't know that I had some. So my mom called me one day. She was like, you have some wedding gifts in my garage. Come get it. Come and get your stuff. I would not I will not have to go. I'm like, which wedding gift? What is my mom talking about? Until one day, one of my big sisters, she went to my mom's place, and my mom was like, oh yeah, pack all this wedding gifts, go and give it to your sister. Go and give it to her. Let her take it to her house. This my garage is too full for so many things. So she brought them, and I was amazed at what I still had as wedding gifts. I was so amazed at what she brought. She brought some stuff, and one of the things she brought, I'm going to show you two of them. It's I've been buying this kind of things in the house, and I'm like, what? So I have all these things as birthday gifts. How come? How? What? Anyway, so I'm gonna, without talking too much, I'm just quickly gonna show you the first one. Oops! It's heavy. This one, it's so heavy. It's what I can use in the kitchen. Oh, can you guys see this? A casserole dish. This is amazing. I can bake with this, and I can put my food in here. I already have one that looks like this, but more colorful white, and it has some flowers on it. So this will be my second one. But we're going to open this together. Don't worry. We're going to open it together. I can't believe it. This came from one of my sisters-in-law, which is also my sister-in-law, from my sister, one of my eldest sisters, sister-in-law. She got what is looking like glass. This is the smallest one. This is the smallest one. It's three sets. It is just three, like I showed you on the carton. It's a big one. These are for baking. The small one and this one, they're for baking, so they don't have a cover. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the one that has a cover. This one is packaged differently because of the cover, I guess. This is how it is. Definitely, I'm going to be using this when I have visitors. Sometimes I do have visitors. They come. I have to, give them something nice, something yummy food. I'll just put them in here. They can serve themselves with this glass. So this is the cover, and I can put my maybe soup, my goosey soup or whatnot. Put them here. So I'm going to be putting this in my kitchen, ready to be used. The next one is, drum roll, please. It's heavy. It still has this one there. It's heavy. Oh my god. This is. Let me see if I can show you guys. Because you can see the top is dirty. To tell you that it's been a long time. Oh, Asian living. Ah, 16 piece. That's what it says here. 16-piece dinnerware set. Okay, let's open it. And I already bought dinnerwares. I didn't know I have all these things. But this one is 16-piece, meaning it has plates, it has a big plate, the small plate, cups, everything I need. Or mugs. I still have like 3 more wedding stuff that is in my garage. But those are not really, gang like that. One of them is gang though. That one I can put it's like chafing dish stuff that I can put on my table also, my dining area where people can eat. Yeah, but it's gonna make the video too long. So this one is the last one I'm gonna be showing you guys. This one is the mug set. I wanna show you how it looks. It looks beautiful. This is how it looks. I don't know where to put them, but we'll see how it goes. Show you guys. Yeah, I'll show you in my video. Now I'll cut it. Okay. So, the next one is, I think this is a plate. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's the small plate. Maybe you can call it saucer. That's what it's called because it's small. So, this is the small plates. This is so cute. Oh my god, do they see how this kind of thing? Yeah, they should. This is Chinese. This, you can tell it's Chinese. China way also. This is so nice. So this one is 4 of them. They have 4 in here. There's also 4. So I think it's 4 each. The plate itself. The plate's gonna and bring out just one. This is so cute. This is too cute. Oh my god. Look at that art. So cute. This is going to be mainly for visitors when they come visit. We'll use this one for them. Yeah. It's not the kind of plate that you just want to use anyhow in the house. When you have visitors coming in, new person coming to stay a little bit, you serve them food with this. The final one is, I think this is the bowl where you can put your dessert. Is it dessert? No, that one is for dessert. The other small plate is for dessert. This one could be for soup. It is for soup, not could be. This is for soup. So the small plate is for dessert. The big plate is the main course, and this is for soup. Soup and salad. Soup and salad. I've gone to restaurant going. Ah, look at that. This would definitely be my favorite bowl in the house. Definitely, if I have to ever use it. Only when visitors are around. Anyway, we can eat with them. Maybe we have a couple or 2 couples. We can use this plates and we eat along with them too. So, this is amazing. So there are 4. I'm trying to package it nicely the way it came. So there are 4 each, and I'm so excited about this. Ah, wow, 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 wow. All right. Those who sent us this gift, God bless them all. After many years. After many years. But thank you is not enough. It's not enough. We can still thank them when we see them. I just acknowledging your gift. So you also like me, that you have a lot of things, wedding gifts that they gave you from your wedding how many years ago, and you are still buying the same things you already have at home. You're still buying it in the store. Get your gift, pray on them, and use it. eh? Except if the Lord says don't use it. So has happened to it. But this one's, my spirit just goes well with this gift. So definitely we're going to be using this gifts. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're entertained one way or the other. Until next time, I say stay blessed and be good. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tell your family about my channel. Come on. And you can also follow my husband or subscribe to my husband's channel on YouTube here. He does a lot of stuff also. You just go ahead and subscribe. You're going to love his channel too. All right, guys. Until next time, I'll say God bless you. Bye.